Ever feel that your outfits are falling flat? Well, chances are it's all in the colors you are using. In this video, I will reveal top 5 most common mistakes in combining colors and show you how to fix them straight away to instantly elevate your outfit using your all-time favorite neutrals, such as beige, grays, navy blues, blacks and whites. So say goodbye to boring outfits and hello to effortless, colorful style. By the way, I'm also going to share some secret tricks how to match neutrals with your unique skin tone to look brighter, fresher, younger, just to look your best. So make sure you're not distracted for another 15 minutes. Make yourself your favorite tea and let's dive into the world of styling colors. Starting off with the safest option, beige. Don't hurry up to skip this part of the video because as much as it may seem obvious to combine beige with other colors, most fashion faux pas I see out there feature exactly beige tones.
What do you think of this combo? It lacks harmony, right? And that's exactly what happens when you mix contrasting beige tones. The jacket is cool tone, the dress is neutral, and the shoes are warm toned, so it clashes. To fix it, I swapped the cool tone jacket for a warmer one that blends beautifully with champagne color of the silk dress from LILYSILK, today's video sponsor, which I'm going to talk about in a minute. It's within the same range but still stands out, adding dimension to the outfit. Paired with neutral toned pumps and a bag in matching peach beige, rose gold jewelry adds metallic texture and must-have full monochrome looks. All have zero temperature but vary in saturation, which creates a gorgeous tonal beige combination.
Another mistake I see often women make, especially when they're afraid of mixing different shades, is to go for the same tone head to toe. You may wonder what's wrong with monochrome. Well, of course there is nothing with monochrome, especially in beige. It can look really elegant, polished and chic, but you need to know some special tricks to pull it off together.
When you opt for the exact same hues, your outfit can look flat and dull, especially if the textures blend together, like in this case, this linen silk blazer and satin dress, both in champagne color. If you're unsure about mixing various shades of beige, simply add light neutrals like ivory, off-white or cream. Here, for example, I swapped the beige blazer for an off-white, warm toned pumps for neutral cream ones, added a white hobo bag and gold toned pearl earrings. And since the look is already quite elegant and classy, I wanted to add a subtle edgy accent with cat-eye sunglasses. It's classy, elegant, yet modern and fresh, all thanks to the off-white tones. And trust me, you simply can't go wrong with them. So you might be wondering which shade of beige suits you best. Like with other colors, beige should complement your skin tone. If you have warm coloring, go for warmer or neutral hues of beige. Cool hues might make you look pale and sick. For cool color types, cool hues of beige work best. Also consider neutral tones of beige and steer clear of warm tones. If you're neutral, opt for neutral hues or mix them with cool or warm tones as desired. The same logic applies to other neutrals such as white, grey, navy blue or brown. When you're picking out colors, keep an eye on their undertones. If you notice a yellowish tint, like in this example, it indicates a warm undertone that will flatter warmer skin tones. On the other hand, if you spot blue or red undertones, as shown here, it means the color leans towards the cool end of the spectrum, perfect for those with cool tone skin. Now, if the color looks pretty true to itself without any noticeable yellow, red or blue hints, it's what we call a neutral hue. These are versatile and can complement a wide range of skin tones from cool to warm and everything in between. So next time you're shopping for neutrals, pay attention to those undertones to find your perfect match.
And talking about achieving these effortless, stylish looks, of course, color combinations is one of the aspects, but silhouette and proportions still remain the key to your impeccable personal style. And for those who are new to my channel, I've got a little surprise. I have developed a personalized style portfolio for your height and figure, which you can get absolutely for free by going to the link under this video, answering just a few questions about your height and body shape. And ta-dam, you will get the guide directly to your mailbox. It's an amazing, in-depth, illustrated guide packed with key-winning silhouettes per category, tops, bottoms, outerwear, tips and tricks to achieve the most flattering effect for your body shape and your height. I have also included some outfit formulas for different occasions, again tailored to your height and figure. So I'm sure you're gonna have a lot of fun with it, going shopping or decluttering your existing wardrobe. Don't forget to go to the link under this video, answer just a few questions, get the guide and start using it in order to enhance your personal style. And now let's talk about how to inject some bold colors into your style. While neutrals are really interesting and versatile for everyday wear, sometimes there are moments when you really want to make a statement, and that's where your bold colors come into play. Think of something bold and colorful, like scarlet red, for example. And here is a very handy rule of thumb. Pair your bright and vivid colors with lighter neutrals such as whites, light grays, beige, and contrast deeper colors with deeper neutrals such as chocolate browns, dark grays, blacks, and navy blues.
Even the boldest and most fabulous color can appeal dull and ordinary when paired with black. High contrast and equal proportions of two colors won't achieve a bold and stylish look. Yet many women try this approach hoping it will work. So what should you do instead? Take this gorgeous pomegranate red chiffon blouse from LILYSILK, for example. It is bright and vivid, so instead of pairing it with black, I toned it down with white. This still looks colorful and fresh, but instead of overpowering the red, it elevates it and allows it to shine as the hero of the outfit. I still incorporate black, but as subtle accents in the belts, shoes and sunglasses, and to make this combo even more striking, I added a zebra printed clutch, which blends with black and white in my outfit. For my second option, I opted for a pinstripe blazer and complemented the look with a black minimalist bag, while keeping the same shoes and accessories. Here's another interesting and straightforward hack: pairing bold colors with black and white print. This combination always looks stylish and makes it a statement. The beauty of it is that you don't need to worry about how to blend colors and prints because the black and white print serves as a neutral backdrop, allowing the bold color to shine. So which combination do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. And again, don't forget to match the color with your natural coloring. Opt for warmer hues of red such as scarlet red, coral red or candy apple if you have warm coloring. If you have cool color type, I would recommend to go for rose red, crimson red or ruby red. And if you have neutral coloring, neutral shades of red such as true red, Venetian red or fire red suit you best. Additionally, you can opt for cool deeper shades such as burgundy, carmine red or merlot.
An often overlooked aspect of styling neutrals is the balance between texture and tone. Neutrals really come to life when paired with luxurious fabrics such as silk, cashmere and wool, adding this depth and richness to your overall look. And that's where I'm thrilled to introduce you the sponsor of today's video, my favorite brand for silk and cashmere garments, LILYSILK. Not only they prioritize quality, they really are committed to sustainability and innovation. Their designs just exude elegance, sophistication and style, making them just perfect for your timeless basic wardrobe. As usual, I'm leaving all the information and links to the products I'm wearing in this video, as well as a special exclusive promo code for my followers. Please don't forget to check out LILYSILK collection after watching this video. Another gorgeous neutral you can't possibly imagine your everyday elegant style without is grey. Well, some people call grey boring, but it's actually because they don't know how to style it. I can assure you, with minimum effort, you can look amazing in grey. Hold on, I will show you exactly how.
Pairing grey with black, especially in warmer seasons, may appear dull and gloomy. While it's a safe choice, it lacks character and style. Both colors being achromatic, they need an anchor to time them together and create harmony. Let's try swapping out the bottom for something different, like this yellow gold tinted pants. It still doesn't look right. Why? Because we've combined two neutrals with opposite temperatures, cool grey and warm yellow. They clash and dull each other, resulting in a combo that's not really visually pleasing. What I'd like to try instead here is elevating grey and making it more summery by pairing it with white. Adding a black belt and shoes will smarten up the look and add contrast, and to make it more interesting through texture, I have added this men's grey melange blazer borrowed from my husband's wardrobe. Of course, I need a pop of color, and I think Bordeaux will look excellent here. So what do you think? As you can see here, I've used two techniques to make my grey work, mixing textures and adding a pop of color. This technique can be applied not only to grey, but to any other neutral if you like to create a minimalist yet stylish and elevated look. By the way, have you noticed that the greys I'm wearing here have a blue undertone, which perfectly matching my cool coloring?
And a gentle reminder, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to hit the button and subscribe. There is a new video every single week. And also, please follow me on Instagram to get even more inspiration and outfit ideas on a daily basis. Another must-have color you can't possibly imagine your basic wardrobe without is navy blue. It is so timeless and versatile. On the other hand, it's so vivid and fresh, exactly what you need for your spring-summer wardrobe. Are there any chances to go wrong with it? Well, actually there are. Let me show how.
This is probably the go-to way to style your navy blue pants, a timeless Breton stripe top paired with navy blue bottoms. It's a safe choice, but it can feel a bit too ordinary. So let's switch things up and elevate this combination. Instead of sticking to horizontal stripes, I opted for a chic vertical striped silk shirt, which instantly elevates the look. I then added an off-white blazer over my shoulders and kept my shoes and accessories subtle, opting for silver pumps to add a metallic touch. The result? A sophisticated and classy ensemble that still maintains the same color scheme of navy blue. By using the same ingredients, a striped navy top and navy pants, but styling them differently and adding subtle accents, I have achieved a completely different effect. Pairing navy blue with red is a classic bold combination, but it's essential to get the proportions right. When the colors clash in equal proportions without any neutral tones to balance them out, the result can feel off. Instead of opting for a red sweater with chic navy blue trousers, I choose a more elegant and subtle approach. A striped silk shirt, also from LILYSILK. I complemented the look with metallic loafers and draped an off-white chunky sweater over my shoulders, and to inject a pop of color, I decided to skip the traditional red and opted for a rich Bordeaux colored bag instead. With sunglasses as a finishing touch, the outfit came together effortlessly. This example shows the importance of not only choosing the right colors, but also balancing out the proportions in your outfit. When experimenting with high contrast combinations, consider playing with the ratio of colors to achieve a more harmonious look. Here's another navy blue combination that's quite ordinary and plain. Blue jeans, a navy blue cardigan, and a white tank top underneath. While there is nothing inherently wrong with this look, it's a common choice that lacks excitement. However, by making a simple swap, pairing the same cardigan with a white denim instead of blue, and adding a few playful accents in red, we can transform the outfit into something way more stylish. In my case, I opted for a red sweater worn as a top and added red socks for a pop of color. I finished off the look with my favorite baseball cap and sunglasses, and there you go. A modern and fresh ensemble that makes a statement, especially when paired with sling bags instead of traders. Take a look, doesn't it look cool?
Another mistake I see quite often in styling neutrals is going for high contrast combinations, pairing light and dark shades in equal proportions. Contrast will definitely add depth and dimension to the outfit, but with neutrals it's better to keep it really understated and refined. Well, think of it more as a subtle accent rather than the focus of the outfit. This approach will definitely help you to achieve and maintain this really expensive, sophisticated, elegant look.
To show you how not to style neutrals, I choose this stunning gold tone silk trousers from LILYSILK, which you may recognize from my 333 challenge on Instagram. However, when paired with black, they lose their character and chicness. The contrast is too strong, leaving the combo looking rather ordinary. And even if we swap black for a lighter color like grey, the effect remains dull and uncoordinated. To make it work, I need to opt for a lighter neutral, like this beautiful silk cashmere top from LILYSILK in eggshell. Adding contrasting accents in small doses, such as black belt, ballet flats and sunglasses, helps to pull the look together. Since I'm going for a tonal neutral combination, mixing different textures adds interest and dimension. A raffia basket and chunky knit sweater complete the ensemble. And if I want to dress up the combo, I can switch out the sweater for a blazer and the raffia tote for a mini half-moon black bag. And my look is ready.
Voila, that was it for today. Please let me in the comments which color combination is your favorite. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye!